Tanya in Spring by Claudia Tremblay. We've got 4 special beads for this special treatment. Version 3. For version 1, we start off with electric diamonds sprinkled in the background. So those are the white areas, simply sprinkle them on there. And then she's got a lot of flowers on her hair and also surrounding her. So we've got pink ribbon crystals. These are the bright pink beads that we see on her hair. So place your pink ribbon crystals on the bright pink areas on her hair as well as on the flowers around her. This is also pink ribbon right over here. And then also for version 2, we've got violet crystals. These are the violet crystals that we have sprinkled on the purple areas or the violet areas on the picture. So that includes also like a butterfly up above her head. And finally for version 3, we've got morganite that we've just scattered about on the plants surrounding her. So some are on her hair, on the flowers, and some are on the plants and flowers on the bottom of the picture. So these are the morganite, these ones. So once again, for Tanya in Spring version 3 special treatment, we've got electric diamonds, pink ribbon crystals, violet pearls, and morganite crystals.